Hello to all CBSE and ICSE board students. Today's topic is equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? When two or more fractions representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fraction, and the rule is saying to get a fraction equivalent to a given fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same non-zero number. So let us take one example. So student, here I have taken one fraction 1 by 2. So here we have to calculate the equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. So student, as we know from the rule, so if we multiply denominator by some non-zero number, then we also have to multiply the numerator by that same non-zero number. So here I am multiplying denominator 2 by 2. Here 2 is representing non-zero number. So again we have to multiply numerator by the same number. That means 1 into 2. So here we are getting 2 by 4. Again I am multiplying 2 with by 3 and 1 by 3. So we are getting here 3 by 6, and at last we are multiplying denominator by 4 and numerator also by 4. So we are getting here 4 by 8. So we can say here the equivalent fractions of 1 by 2 will be 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. So student, that is the process. So student, suppose you are given some type of problem. So write a fraction equivalent to 5 by 8 with denominator 56. So student, I am writing here 5 by 8 equal to, on second fraction in denominator we have to write 56. So student, here you have to find out what will be the numerator. So just look at this portion very carefully. So if we multiply 56 by 8, then we are getting here 7. 56 by 8, then we are getting here 7. So 7 will be multiplied by 5. The numerator will be 5 into 7. That means 35. So student, if you given such type of problem, write a fraction equivalent to 36 by 63 with numerator 4. So here I am writing 36 by 63. And in second fraction or in numerator you have to write 4. Then here you have to find out the denominator. So what will be the denominator? Actually, if we divide 36 by 4, then we are getting here 9. So in denominator, if we divide 63 by 7, then we are getting here 9. So in denominator we have to write 7. So student, next I am going to discuss about cross multiplication. So to test whether the fractions are equivalent or not, so what you have to do, student? Suppose you are given two fractions 5 by 8 and 20 by 32. So student, let us assume these fractions as a by b and these fractions as c by d. So if we cross multiply, then what we will get? So you have to diagonally multiply. If the value of AD is greater than BC, then first fraction A by B will be greater than C by D. And if the value of AD will be less than B by C, then the second fraction will be greater than first fraction. So A by B lesser than C by D. So if we get the same value, that means AD equal to BC, then both fraction will be the same. So student, here we have to calculate the value 5 by 8 and 20 by 32. So we have to cross multiply here. So here the value of AD equal to 5 into 32, that means 160, and the value of CD will be 8 into 20 equal to 160. So we are getting here AB equal to CD. So we can say that 5 by 8 will be equal to 20 by 32. So student, that's for all. Bye.